I don't know if anyone else has had a problem with their music, but I know we have. We had no trouble for 5 to 6 years using iMovie, and all of a sudden, all the music that we're putting up on all our new videos are all coming up copyright problems. So we're no longer going to be able to put any music in our videos until we can figure out what to do about it. I am so sad to say I love having music in my videos, but I don't know what the problem is, but we've already taken down like about 5 or 6 of our videos because of copyright problems. I'm just leaving them up now and see if we can manage to do something about it or not. If not, eventually we might take them down. I don't know yet. But because of that, we're no longer going to be using any music until we can resolve this problem with YouTube or with iMovie, because every bit of the music we use is from iMovie. Never had a problem. Just giving you a heads up, just in case anyone else uses the music from iMovie, maybe you can tell me why our music now is getting copyright problems, and if you're having the same problem. I don't know yet what we're going to do about it, so please let me know. We've tried to correct it. It hasn't done us any good, and we've been told don't complain to YouTube because that could be another problem. And I don't want any more problems with my channel than what I already have, and I have a lot of problems on my channel. So if anyone knows how I can resolve this problem about the music, leave me a comment in this video. If you don't worry about it. I'm just letting you know if any of you are using iMovie, you could start having problems. I know we're getting copyright almost every single video now, and they've been using this music for at least 5 or 6 years, or maybe 7 years. I don't know, however long we've been doing YouTube with iMovie, that's how long. It's probably like 7 years. So I have 7 years of videos that now I can't get monetized with because of iMovie. Let me know what you're going to do, and let me know what I need to do if I want any music, because I'm not spending any money if it's going to be a problem with that music too. Well, of course I've been shopping again, as you can tell. This is from Annalee's house. She does a lot of wonderful, wonderful sales all the time. Always find something cute and different at her home. I got this beautiful pillow. Look at their faces on this pillow. Are they not beautiful? For Easter, oh, I loved it. Then we got this beautiful plant, and look at how pretty it looks. And this cute little bunny. Think it will look cute for Easter, but I think it'll be great for Halloween too, all dressed up in the bunny costume. Isn't it cute? I just had to have it. And look at all the detail work. You can even see the little rosy cheeks and the little teeth and the bunny ears and everything. So cute. Then we had these wonderful, wonderful little paper umbrellas, and it has 24 of them, so I think I can use 2 or 3 at a time for my tablescapes, my tea parties, and put them back carefully and use them over and over again. Now they're brand new, they've never been out of the package, and so that was really nice. And then of course this beautiful, beautiful egg. Is it not beautiful? Just wanted to share with you all the detail work that was on this egg. We can put it on the Easter tree. I can't wait to put it on my daughter's tree tomorrow. Oh, it's going to hang beautifully there. I don't know if anyone else... Well, I also did some shopping over at Dollar Tree for Easter, as you can tell. I got 6 of these bags of grass, fake grass, to go in the 6 baskets I got from my 6 great-grandchildren. Thought they turned out really cute. And I got a package of these plastic eggs, and then I got 2 of these. I thought they were super pretty. I loved all the bright colors and how shiny they were. So I got 6 boxes of Peeps, so each one of the grandkids gets 1 package apiece. I have 6 great-grandchildren, 3 boys and 3 girls. So hopefully we're going to do great. Then I got some little chocolate-covered candy. I got some of these here that have a little bit of crunch to it. I got the milk chocolate. I got the peanut butter. I thought we got a good variety. Then I got some little stamps that have Easter themes, so each one of them will get a little stamp. And we have these cute little Easter erasers that look like little bunnies. Aren't they cute? I was very happy with what we found. And so we got this pretty good price. Now I did get one thing that wasn't for Easter for the grandkids, is these bunnies. I'm going to use them in a centerpiece, and I'll show you that tomorrow. So make sure you come back and see how that centerpiece turns out. I'm going to put it together, and then we'll use it over at my daughter's house and also at my house. So stay tuned. We're going to share how we're going to make these baskets also tomorrow. So we have plenty of things to share with you. Don't forget to come back every day. We have a video going up. Hugs and kisses to all of my awesome friends. I'm so glad you are staying here and staying focused on what we're putting together for Easter. This week it's putting Easter baskets together for the great-grandkids. I think it's going to turn out great. Let me know what you think when I get it done. Well, here's my baskets I put together for my great-grandchildren. There's 6 of them, and 3 for the girls and 3 for the boys. And it came to about $33 for everything we used, and I didn't even use everything up, so probably it's more like $30, because there were some things we never even used. So I think we did pretty good. It ended up costing me about $5 a basket, but they have quite a bit of candy there. They got some, they all got 2 little eggs that I have some candy in, plus some candy there. And I got a peanut butter egg here in the center, and each one of them got that. And they got the little eraser, and they got a little stamp, and each stamp's a little different. And hopefully they're going to enjoy it. And there was still a couple stamps left over. I guess me and my daughter will use. And I got each one of them a package of Peeps also. And this isn't a lot of candy. They have parents, they have grandparents. I'm the grandparent, so I don't think they need any more than this from me. And at least they know that great-grandma loved them and thought about them. So let me know what you thought. Thought it turned out pretty good. For $30 for 5 great-grandchildren to get a little bit of candy for Easter. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Ooh, I hope my babies are all going to love what they got. What do you think? What was your favorite thing that I picked up? And I don't know if I mentioned these little rabbits are erasers. I thought they were all so cute, I just had to buy them. And I like the idea of the little stamp also. I know they're going to have fun. I don't know if their parents are going to have fun with those stamps, but I know they are. And one of my favorite candies is Peeps. So I made sure everybody got a package of their very own. They don't have to share. So I got lavender or purple for the girls, and I got blue ones for the boys. And all the boys live in a different household, so there shouldn't be any fighting there. And Nick's girls, of course, live together, and let's hope we don't have too much fighting with them. So we'll see what happens. Hugs and kisses to all of my awesome friends. Let me know what was your favorite thing that I picked up, and what did you think of $5 a basket? I thought it was pretty reasonable. And they have a nice little container to put their little knickknacks in when they're done.